Lucas Investor. I'm about to go live in about 40 minutes because we have, or maybe less than that actually, about 15-20 minutes. We have Donald Trump live with us making a speech about the economy for tomorrow ahead of the FOMC report. As we see bonds in an emergency state, the crash 100% is coming. That's why the market is pumping the way it is. That's why one of my stocks, my trades this morning, made $4,500 in minutes, and we ended up with $5,500 gain today. It's been record breaking because this is what happens before the crash. Everyone's buying and pumping everything with the last hurrah, and people are being drawn into it. Do not do that. If it wasn't for the fact I'd have a pattern day trading mark on my account, which doesn't matter, I can turn it off, and as long as you have more than 25,000 in your account, it doesn't matter anyway. I could turn it off, but I want to be able to benefit from all the other perks and benefits you get not being a pattern day trader, things like uninvested cash and so on and so forth. So, and stock lending and things like that. So I'm going to sell my Coca-Cola more than likely tomorrow. I'm up again on that today. I bought a quick trade this morning, $149,000, made a lot of money today, and more than likely it'll be up in the morning. But I don't mind holding it anyway because of the earnings coming up in 10 days' time. But what I'm going to do now is go in the studio and get ready for the Donald Trump speech. It's important, this one, because he's making a live speech about the economy for tomorrow. Of course, he'll say the usual things. We know that whenever Trump speaks, there's a lot of information that gets repeated. We understand that. We'll probably get eggs and donuts mentioned. And every time we get eggs and donuts, the Lucas A's put a super chat in the channel and we have some fun with it. So, we can do that. But at the end of the day, we want to see if he really gives us any information of movement for tomorrow. The FOMC report tomorrow, and it's an important one because there could be some data missing. We'll find out about that in the morning. We'll cover it live. So it's a last chance, really, I think, for people to take profit, and that's why it's pushing the market up. So I'm going to go and get ready in the studio. I'll see you back in a few minutes' time for the Trump speech. Let's see what he says. Let's get ready for FOMC report tomorrow. And congratulations, everybody. 48% of my live viewers on the Trump speech, and there was 6,000 watched it. We had a poll. If you were there, you'd know that 48% were either Lucasades or Discordians that not only were members, but won on my trade this morning. So congratulations to all of you. Lots of you have made lots of money today, and thank you to my biggest super chat ever. Big Dog gave me a $640 super chat. I can't believe it. And he didn't even say why. We just guessed it's because he made some money. Everybody did today. I'm guessing we must have took over $250,000 this morning from the US government with that trade on our show alone. So not bad, eh? Not bad win for the Lucasades and Discordians. So I'll see you back in a minute. I will be sharing all my trades, what I'm doing as well. You all know in Discord and on Electrum members. But I'm going to go and get ready. As you can see, it's very white here, snow in Texas. I'll be live in about 5-10 minutes. I'm just going to go and get set up. That's why there's no 2 o'clock show, because we are preparing for the Trump speech. But the crash is coming 100%, and that's why it's rallying like this before it dies. So I'm taking all the profits I can responsibly. You're seeing what my trades are before I make them. So anyway, wish you all the very, very best. I'll see you there in a few minutes' time in the studio. Until then, as always,